If you are searching for a photoelectric sensor PLC wiring, you probably want to see it work, not sit through another slide deck. This is Guided Browser Lab inside PLC Simulation Software, captured from the real browser product. The guided workbench connects each ladder action to the machine behavior, so you can see why the logic works. The important moment is the cause and effect link. An input changes, the ladder logic evaluates it, and the machine output responds. Watch the real photoelectric sensor PLC wiring lab in action. Build the logic, run it against live inputs and outputs, then use the grader and tutor to correct the result. Follow the highlighted interaction on screen, and notice that the feedback changes with the action. This is the practical loop the lesson is designed to teach. Use this demo to decide whether the workflow matches what you need. The matching page goes deeper into the concept, while the browser lab lets you practice it instead of only watching it. Open the matching browser experience and complete the first practical step yourself. There is no install and no credit card required to start. Visit plcsimulationsoftware.com.